Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the JDK and project layout so file work behaves predictably. First, create a small class in src/main/java and import Java. Neo, file, *. This gives you path and files immediately. Then decide whether you'll read or write. Reading uses files. Read all lines or files. New buffered reader. Writing uses files. Write or buffered writer. Once done, compile and run a quick hello file test to ensure your runtime and path are correct before proceeding. You now implement the middle steps: open paths, get data, txt to obtain a path, then use files, new buffered reader path standard charsets, UTF-8 inside try with resources so streams close automatically. For appending, call files, new buffered writer path standard charsets, UTF-8 standard open option. Create standard open option. Append, use files, copy and files. Move for transfers and atomic moves when possible. Make sure to catch I/O exception and explain to users why You wrap up by validating output and cleaning resources. Check files. Exists path and then verify content with files. Read all lines or stream-based validation. When writing, prefer writing to a temp file and then files. Movie temp target standard copy option. Atomic move to avoid corruption. Once complete, log success and ensure file descriptors closed. If something goes wrong, start by checking file permissions and path correctness. Then verify character encoding and running process locks so you can quickly resolve common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.